Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, what you are going to see is VIM. When we see some YouTube videos, they are always using VIM because VIM is so much enjoyable editor, which is a terminal based editor. Okay, we will see what's VIM and how it's enjoyable coding any. The first, mm, when I, sorry to struggle. The first time when I going to use first time cron job, which means the Linux they have in Windows they have systems are do that like that. In Linux they have a cron tab. I'll show that cron tab something like this. Cron tab. I forgotten the name. Cron. What's man? What's that? What happened to my pen now? Okay, we will see. What happened? Okay, open another one. This is I'm using WS, so we can change the timing like this. Oh, okay. On tab. On tab. Something like this. Okay, this one. When I use this first time, I select Vim as my editor. After getting to this, I extract hours and hours in here. I don't know what's in at that time, and even I don't know how to edit or something like in Vim. For going to edit mode, we are using I. After pressing I, it will go into insert mode. If we press escape, it will back to normal mode. And they have visual mode, and they have another mode, normal, visual, insert mode. Yes, they have three mode. We can use using those. When I hit enter this one, I don't know how to save or how to get. Okay, I will see how to put. Just if we get type Q, it will get. If we want to save and get WQ, you may think what's enjoying this. I will show how enjoyable it is. Just wait. Okay, now I'm going to just create a file or some Python file. Okay, I want to minimize the video. Otherwise, okay. Okay, what I'm going to do in this video, I want to show some little bit how Vim is enjoyable, and I want to refresh my Vim knowledge also. Okay, now what I want to do. They have upgrade versions. Best there that is I think. After that VIM Vim. Now most of the games are using NeoVim. I'm also using NeoVim. Okay, we will see how NeoVim looks. Okay, just I'm creating what we have. I am okay. Just test dot python. I forgot. No, anyway, test dot python. Now it will create a Python file and open Vim. Okay, now I am in Vim and using test dot python file. Okay, I will show how it's fun. Okay, if I type like something like this, if I want to delete after the cursor like that, if I just okay, it's deleted, man. That's much easy Vim. If you familiar with Vim and the coding, the moving cursors, it's more easy. And I'll show something like now. Okay, I am now in 41st line. If I want to move to first one, just press go to normal mode and just press GG. Then it will go to first line. If I want to come to last line, just capital G, it will come to last line like that. If I want to go to 10 lines above, just type 10 and above. It will go to 10 lines above. In Vim, if you navigation, we are using K for up, J for down, L for move to left side, L for right side, H for left side, and L for right side, H for left side. Okay, K for up, J for down, like that. And they have more fun things. I'll see. If I want to delete this all line, DD, that's what it is. Okay, like this. If I want to delete this word only, just DW. That's deleted. DW deleted. That's much easy, man. This one we must know VIM. Even even though if we are using VS, they have a VIM mode. Yes, they have VIM mode. First we want to familiar with those things. After that we want to know. I'm also like that. I set up this one using seeing the prime gems video. You can see those videos. Okay, they have moved it. So if I want to copy this, wait, this line, I can just press yang. Why? I mean, stop copying. Forgotten something. Okay, so why it's not in previous? I set up if I copy something, it will blink blink something like that. Okay, I will show. If I press YY, it will copy the full line. And if I want those line in 5 times, if I press 5P, it will press 5 times like that. If I want to delete these 5 lines, it's also 5 delete it. That's much easy, man. Okay, what's the things we want to see? Okay, they have another thing. That is Vim macro. In that we can record our keys, and after that we can replay those things. Okay, I will see. For example, if I want, okay, let me see something name equal, okay, name equal John. We want um we want file like this. If I want like this, okay, I will go. Okay, now I have, okay, I have this one first name. Okay, John. Whatever. I have 3 names. If I want to specify each as name or something, how I say this is Copilot. Not the suggestion is using Copilot. How I want to, okay, I will say something. Okay, when I studying, I will show how to use macros. Okay, we don't need macros. Just we see how other things like between what are the things I want to see. Fun things. Okay, for the things. Okay, I saw a game, a VIM game. Using that, we can learn other things. Okay, I want to share. VIM game. Practicing game. Okay, I want to play a VIM game. Think. Okay, VIM game. Think. So, so fun things in game. see. So, okay. So, so I think they have small things. Okay, I will like this. This is more fun for me. Okay, now if I want to do two things, this is more fast than anything. Okay, what we are going to do is now I want to search file. Okay, so this is a search file. It will iterate through all my code and searching. Okay, I searched in parent directory. From data. So really I want to go so more things must wait. So I want to try this one. Get to continue and go review. Okay, just open a create project. Yeah, we can see. I want to go to show this. If anyone want, this is the React app I built it for one of my project. Okay, I will show in here. We can see that if I want to go to this specific function, what I want to do is just gb till go to that function. From here, I can go back using control. I think if I tell like this, it's not going to understand for you. I go, okay, we will do like this. I want to create another series for whom. This is introduction to VIM. Okay, I want to name it as introduction to VIM. We will study VIM in these videos, upcoming videos. Okay, we will do more things. Opening buffer, data space, search help. This is help. And we can see they have uh, many things. For example, if I want to see what's up Copilot, it will give manual. This is a offline manual, not online manual. Okay, they have many things. Okay, I will do that. This is the insert function. When we press I, it will go to insert. Okay, I will show more things. If I press A, it will go to first the last of the end of the line. And we press see. Okay. Field press capital A, field press capital A, it will go to end of the line and go to insert mode. Okay, insert. At the same time, if I press simple, it will go to the next line and go to insert mode. If I want to insert something in underline, just O. O is insert in next line. If I want to undo U, if I want to something writing above line, I can press just capital O and I can type. This is so much fun for me because each day I'm learning something new in me. So it will give more pleasure to use the editor, more fun and interacting to things, such things, such things. I'm I'm not prepared come to these things and just showing the fun parts in Vim. Vim. Looking for that there Vim. Everything. Just Q. I think yeah. Um, Okay, what are the things we can do? I think this is just introduction. I will categorize the beginner things, and after that, okay, we will see just beginner things. I think they have some. No, I know not started. This is just the introduction to it. I will post some more fun things in it, or I will post a series in it. I think series is struggle more because I'm also posting tons of loads on. So we will post some random videos in game like this one. I think I want to use the key to when I want to express how Vim is working. We want to put something key by key showing what time. If I press something, it want to press like that. I have some softwares like this. I will put in upcoming videos. Okay, just install Vim and enjoy coding.